Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Ilman Edu. Today's topic is one word substitution part 3. Words related to specific type of things, events and places. Comment, share and subscribe. Let's start. A place for sun to enter where one can sunbathe. Solarium. Glass container in which fish and other water animals can be kept. Aquarium. A place for feet or speaker's platform. Podium. Part of the theatre where people who are watching and listening sit. Auditorium. An optical device for projecting various celestial images and effects. Planetarium. Establishment for the treatment of the chronically ill. Sanatorium. Place where objects are exhibited. Museum. Trees whose leaves fall every autumn. Deciduous. That which falls upon befalls, happens, incident. That which falls to someone or something. Accident. That which falls on the Western countries. Occidental. The school or college one attends. Alma mater. Self-moving vehicle. Automobile. A machine that functions by itself. Automatic. Baby carriage. Perambulator. Carriage for sick people. Ambulance. View at glance. Today I've learned solarium, aquarium, podium, auditorium, planetarium, sanatorium, museum, deciduous, incident, accident, occidental, alma mater, automobile, automatic, perambulator, and ambulance. This is the part 3 video. Browse other parts from the end screen. Thank you.